Now, app is in here and touch mode. When I say to touch the body parts of the animal, you have to touch and identify the body parts of the animal. In this mode, you have to show only one flash card in front of the app camera. This is Spinosaurus. Baby, touch the Spinosaurus's head. Yes, great. Correct touch. Baby, touch the Spinosaurus's body. Sorry, the part you touch is wrong. Baby, touch the Spinosaurus's body. Yes, great. Correct touch. Baby, touch the Spinosaurus's leg. Yes, great. Correct touch. Baby, touch the Spinosaurus's tail. Yes, great. Correct touch. Baby, touch the Spinosaurus.